Hi, it's Professor Monty, and we're talking about evaluating piecewise functions. Okay, so a piecewise function has different looking function pieces to it, depending on what the input, or in this case, the x variable is. All right, so we've got a piecewise defined function here. F of x is just x plus 3, but only defined over the interval when x is less than or equal to 5. If x is greater than 5, then f of x is defined as x squared. Okay, so it depends on what x is, which one of these we use. So we go over, and I want to find f of -1, f of 5, and f of 7. So f of -1, we go to the -1, that's my x. F of x is -1. We go over here and we say, okay, is -1 less than or equal to 5, or is it greater than 5? So since -1 is less than or equal to 5, we use x plus 3. And so that's all we do. So when we do f of -1, we use x plus 3. So we go to -1 plus 3, and we just evaluate that, and we get 2. And that's my answer. Oh, f of -1 is 2. Okay, simple as that. Well, what about f of 5? Well, 5 is less than or equal to 5 since it's equal. It's obviously not greater than 5. So this time, since 5 is still less than or equal to 5, we're going to use still f of x equals x plus 3. And so when we plug that in, f of 5 is 5 plus 3. We just plug the 5 in where the x was. We get 8, and that's my answer. Okay, done. Very similar to the first one. But now we go to f of 7. 7's not less than or equal to 5. Obviously, 7's greater than 5, so we have to plug it in that way. So we're thinking, and you don't have to write all this down. You can just go straight to this piece. So here we say, oh, I know 7 is greater than 5. Just plug it in. But we'll write it out so you understand what I'm doing. Since 7, my input value, is greater than 5, use this piece, x squared. F of x equals x squared. Well, so then f of 7 is 7 squared, or 49. And so depending what your x input value is, depends on what piece you use. Sometimes they'll give a piecewise function, there may be 3 parts to it. Doesn't matter, piecewise just means there's more than one piece to it, but depending on the x value or the input value you're given, determines what piece of the function you use.